Hi everybody, ¿cómo están? My name is Steven Gallaga and I'm one of your student success leaders for the Centro. My pronouns are he, him, and I am majoring in Aerospace Engineering. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in the Bay Area, with Concord being my hometown. I like to stay active, I like to hike, I like to listen to music, and I love space. I'm always looking for opportunities to learn something new. My path to SJSU was a very unconventional one, with a lot of the time me trying to figure out what it was that I wanted to do and what it was that I wanted to major in. It took a rough start to the college environment for me to really figure out its significance and what I wanted to do. More importantly, I'm grateful to have had a wonderful support system who never doubted my potential, regardless of what I was doing in my life or what I wasn't doing. Additionally, in my journey to SJSU, I was greatly aided by my advisors in my community college, and it made me realize that there were so many resources available to me and to other students, and we just had to reach out and access them. I first started with Centro mainly as a study spot and as a place to go and unwind and take a breather between classes. And then I started realizing and hearing about all the events that they set up for our Latinx community at San Jose State, and I wanted to be a part of it. I wanted to support it, and I wanted to be a part of the Centro team. I wanted to support the Centro team because I've had great influences in my life. I've had great individuals who have really helped me out and really helped me get to where I am. And I'm hoping that I can be that resource and I can be that individual to anybody that needs it. I'm really happy to be part of the Centro team. I'm really excited of where it's gonna take me, and I look forward to meeting all of you soon. Thank you for taking the time to getting to know me, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.